Peter Kempthorne, Tech Officer. A quick video today, 101 on multimeters. So we've got a standard multi-clamp meter that we use here in the workshop. Obviously AC amps current and DC amps current. We'll just zero it there. Very handy having the clamp meter. We can just put it over any cable, an individual cable, and we see the current, and that's a positive reading. And because of that, we know which way the arrow is there on the meter. We know that the current is actually flowing in one direction or the other. If we just flip the meter over, we can see it's a negative current. So we know which way, even if the jumble of wires like this, we know which way the current's going. All these wires here all got 2 amps current going through them. But if we switch it to volts, we've got 26.6 volts there and 6.6 volts there. And we know with a positive and negative, we know whether we've got a negative or a positive, and we also know which way the flow's going. And then the old trusty noisemaker for continuity testing. So we use it a lot for aeroplanes to find out which way the current's going and if there's actually current flowing in the wires.